Yeah, and so here's the base standard for stabilization and wide angleness. So just for comparison, so GoPro, but on a nice bright sunny day, probably that's what you want. Once it starts getting dark, then that's when you probably want, you know, a better camera, a better lens. But when it's out nice and bright and you want to see what's happening around you, yeah, GoPro is great. All right, there we go. We're active stabilization. Active save. Huh. Is it raining? So 16mm arm's length and active stab on. So let's see, I'm just walking out here, the balcony walk, just checking this out. Hey, Chaisito, Chai, hey Chai, oh Chai. And how's that? Let's see, got bunch of wind, and so that's active stab, and this is active stab standard mode. Active stab standard. Jet coming in. Active stab standard mode. Jet mode back there. And the active stab off completely. So this old 18 to 55 has a little stab in the lens, but we'll see. Probably pretty shaky. So we got active stab with a Tamron 17 to 28 lens, and super bright out here. But let's see how it does on the balcony walk. Right, Johnny? And active stab on, so yeah, at 17 crops in a lot, but not too bad. How's that? Let me go back. I just got it on auto, so it's like super bright. Whatever. Should stop it down. But see how the active stab is doing. It's good. It seems to be doing okay. Alright, holding it. Arm's length. And now the beast of the lens, the Sigma 18 to 35 beast. Yeah. So, unstabilized lens, but we got the active stab on the Sony ZVE10. Active stab with a Sigma 18 to 35. You gotta be a bodybuilder to hold this lens out there with the camera. And so, yeah, gorgeous lens. It's a beast. And so, yeah, let's see how it does. It's super bright out here. It's whatever. And so I'm just holding it out. Into the sun. What's going on back there? Just getting zapped by the sun. Anyway, yeah. So walking, balcony walk.